Hi folks, I know I don't usually do things like this, but I recently had a magicJack, which I have 3 of them. One of them died because of a faulty power system to it. The power pack that came with it was bad, and it pretty much fried the device. So decided to take it apart just to see what's in there, and I thought it was rather interesting. First of all, you'll notice these 2 guys right here, these 2 guys right there, those are LEDs. One's white, one's blue. The white one will flash every now and again to make, just so that the operator knows that the device is actually still working. And the blue is always on to indicate power. Here's kind of a, I guess this is a reset switch, I'm not too sure. But anyway, it's there. Kind of inaccessible in a way, but you know, whatever. Here's the main processor right here. This is the brains of the system. And the nice thing about this system is you can plug it directly into a Ethernet cable connected to your internet, and it works. And it does work very well, I got to say. Here's sort of a buffer system right here, going into here, it appears. There's really no memory whatsoever on this system, or it doesn't appear. I'm guessing that the memory is on the processor here. Here's an optocoupler of some sort, or a buffer of some sort, for the phone line. There you can see the 2 wires going there for the phone line, 2 LANs. There's some support stuff on there as well. There's really not a whole lot in here, just kind of a very basic system that they have set up, which works quite well. And here's a capacitor right here, which is normal for computers, a very high quality capacitor. Now back in here, there's really not a whole lot. There's an IC chip here, and a little transistor, possibly a MOSFET right here. And there's some other associated electronics gadgetry right about in here. There's a little diode right here going into the power supply, which acts as a computer port as well, a little USB thing. Really not a whole lot to this, like I said. It's just got enough oomph to operate on its own, and which is kind of cool. So that's inside a magicJack Plus. Like I said, there's not a whole lot there, but it is kind of cool. Thanks a lot for tuning in.